Hey there, design enthusiast. Welcome back to Triple P Designer. Today we are diving into the world of mockups with a look at the best website for creating stunning mockups. Whether you are a sensor designer or just starting out, this platform will help you bring your designers to life and make your presentation pop. So let's explore this fantastic tool and see how they can elevate your design game. So designers now comes with the first website angle.sh, which contains already the hero section, shows you how the mockups gonna look. So it's a mobile phone and tablet view. It's a parallax view. You can implement this parallax on your upcoming. It's not the kind of a topic we're gonna discuss right now. We're just come up over here to have those mockup view. How we can export our mockups to our upcoming designs or projects, whatever you're gonna do in your future further workflow. So they contains XD and Figma file as well as sketch files. Easy to go kind of tool, you can say. Just click on the mockup. You can see they have view type varieties, clay and kind of, I think they all are containing metallic view of like realistic view of iPhones and Android phones. You can play around with iOS, Android or desktop. If I go into desktop section, I can see variety of the like MacBook Air M2 chipset. That one also contains over here. Also Apple Watches and MacBook Pro 16-inch, iPad 6th generation, iPad Mini, and iMac 24-inch as well as Apple TV. I don't know why they have mentioned this one, but for maybe more aesthetic view, you can just export this particular PNG file and implement on your portfolio to have a like aesthetic. If you are gonna mention a desktop or TV, then you can mention this one as well. Maybe that was one of the reason. I don't know. Magic keyboard also, and okay, I AirPod Max. Maybe that was for your if you are building any website, you can export this templates, like template, not PNG file. Maybe you can export this and implement on your websites. They provide Sketch, XD and Figma file as well. So let's jump into the next one, shots.so. This is a like a child of Figma. You can easily drag and drop your file. Just that's it. You don't have to do nothing. You have to drag your file, whatever you have designed. If you are designed for a screenshot browser, or if you are designed for minimal desktop, iPhones and Android phones, I think Android phones, yeah, there is also nothing phone because I am a nothing phone user, Pixel 7 and lot more. So there is also laptop view and desktop, iMac also over here, pro displays over here, 9 different types, studio displays over here, iMac Retina. There are variety. Apple Watches are also mentioned. You have to only want do one thing, just drag and drop your design. The size is also adaptable. If I just see 16 Pro Max, which is latest one, I need to do my design screen in my Figma or Sketch 1320 into 2868. Just drag that image over here. You can see the view. You can have a dual fold, you can have a overlap, twinning, triple view, and you can play around the shadows, light shadow, dark shadow, none if you don't want any shadows. If you want to change the background frame, that is also very convenient over here. You can just, if you want to go with gradient, just, this is so subtle, misty gradient, cosmic gradient, desktop background, like it's boom, like it's wow. You can implement it. Is very, I feel this type of radiant gradient, and I love mystic gradient. These two are very beautiful background drop. I can implement on my mockups to publish in Dribble, Behance or any platform I prefer, Instagram also. So let's jump into the next one. Next one is mockey.ai. So this particular tool is not belonging to any product or UI UX designer. This particular tool enhances for graphic designer itself. So if you are making any graphic stuff for your shirt printing, t-shirt or hoodies printing, or any bags, apparel printing, this tool is helpful for you. Just you have to, they have 5,000 plus mockups. That was great news for you guys. You can upload your design over here. I think yeah, if I have any design, okay, let's upload this one. Let's see what's gonna happen. This is taking a little bit more time. Oh wow, I have a t-shirt with printing two puppies floating with the balloon, right? That's cool. They have pro version, they also have free version. You can just edit the background and publish it in your, if you are making a t-shirt business or any apparel business, you can just go with this. That's great. If I want to jump to jackets, oh wow, my hoodies, my jackets, if gonna print this particular element in my hoodies, they will look like this. That was so crazy, so dope, right? So this is best tool for the graphic designer majorly, not for the product or UI UX designer. So graphic designer, stay focused and take this website for your upcoming project work. If you are creating any business or any startup, you can just implement this particular tool. So let's jump into the next tool. It's a Smartmockups.com. This particular tool combines both the graphic and product designer. If you are a graphic designer, you have implementing graphic stuff in your framework or any t-shirt or any cops, any place you want to implement, as well as product designer who are implementing their screens, mobile phone screens or a desktop screens. You can implement those screens easily by one go. Just implement, just drag and drop and change the background color. Let's see how it works. Let's upload one particular graphic stuff. Same, I will not change the thinking. Let's put this image. Let's see how it's gonna look. And this is okay. They will adjust my photo in a t-shirt. They have a view in a frame, in a mobile phone, in a laptop view, or in a cup, right, mug. That's how it works, and you can easily implement these things as per your convenience. Last but not in the least, which is as usual our famous tool canva.com, which having a mockup section specifically. That was very easy. I have implemented in my thumbnails, video thumbnails. Once I have implemented, that was very easy. Just you have to drag your image into the frame, and while into the frame, just bring it on the mockup screen. They will automatically implement. You have to make it fit the screen, or if you have any different variety of screen sizes, that will may vary. Just see how beautifully placed, how aesthetically they have mentioned this mockups. They're very easy go-to tool kind of, say, you can say. Okay, so no need to worry about further thoughts, just implement it and ready to go. These 5 exciting websites for you guys. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into best mockup website for designers. I hope you found these insights helpful and are excited to try out those powerful tools in your own project or upcoming project in the further future. If you enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe to Triple P Designer and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your favorite mockup website or any questions you might have. Keep designing and stay inspired. Bye bye.